The exam consists of three sections: verbal ability and reading comprehension, logical reasoning and data interpretation, and lastly, you have quantitative ability. Each of these sections will get 40 minutes only. Hello guys, this is your boy Ali Solanki, and today we'll be talking about the last minute tips and tricks that will help you ace your CAT 2021. I'm currently preparing for CAT 2022 myself, and after talking to a few friends who have already cracked the exam about what were the best last minute tips that they had received, this is what I've come up with. So watch this video till the end because it contains some of the most valuable tips that can help you get a better score in your CAT exam. The first and foremost mistake that almost all students commit is learning new concepts right at the end. Revise, revise, revise. That's it. Practice what you've already learned rather than learning something new totally. It's only the things that you've already practiced many times which will help you in scoring amazing marks. With such a less time remaining for the CAT exam, just communicating tips won't be enough. So here's a golden hack. You need to save time not just while writing the exam but also while preparing for it. And your friend is here to help you with the same. There is an app called Flash Prep where you can solve tests and revise for all the four sections of the CAT exam. Save time on your preparation and optimize with the flashcards, practice questions and notes that are on the app for free. Also, you can find the link down in the description box below. Having a strategy is essential whenever we are attempting a competitive exam. Exam preparation takes a long time, but it can be optimized if you follow these simple steps. Here's what you should be doing in the last 7 days. There are broadly two types of students who will be attempting this year's CAT exam. Firstly, the ones who have a really good preparation strategy. They've got all their concepts cleared out, they've prepared for mock tests, solved past year's papers, and are completely done with the syllabus. So you guys should not burn out yourself in the last period. Basically, do the things that you like. You should keep yourself fresh so that you can give 100% for the exam. Next are the ones who are yet to get some concepts cleared out and who are yet to appear for mock tests as well. You guys still have a lot of potential in yourself only if you follow a structured path, and here's how. Firstly, one of the most important things that you need to do during these last moments is to solve all the last year's papers and mock tests as well. Now, many people will take these mock tests lightly and solve it as if they are practicing the problems. This is not the correct way to solve mock tests or any past year's papers for that matter. Whenever you're giving a mock test, make sure that you create an exam-like environment and solve the test within the given time limit only. So let's say your exam timings are from 2 to 4, that is for 2 hours, then make sure you solve your mock test in this particular timing only. By doing so, you are setting this as your study time and you will be alert and have a greater concentration when you actually solve the exam paper. Keep giving these mock tests and you'll have a very good idea about the nature of the exam. You should know your weaknesses as well as your strengths. If you are able to identify whether a question is easy or difficult for you, then trust me, you'll be saving a lot of time during the exam. Most importantly, don't change your strategy at the last moment. We need to understand that CAT is an aptitude test. It's not like UPSC or JEE where you have to learn a lot of theory or dedicate years to it. CAT can be easily cracked with just the good basics. So you can actually leave a few topics which you're not really comfortable with. For example, quant consists of three major areas: arithmetic, algebra, and geometry. You need to focus on any two areas of your choice. Trust me, focusing on this completely will really help because you're gonna be building your scope based on your strengths. The exam consists of three sections: verbal ability and reading comprehension, logical reasoning and data interpretation, and lastly, you have quantitative ability. Each of these sections will get 40 minutes only for CAT 2021, so you have to complete the entire paper in just 2 hours. These 2 hours should be divided very thoughtfully. You need to scan your paper and categorize questions as easy, moderate, or difficult. Start with the easy ones and at the end attempt the difficult ones. By doing this, you can avoid wasting time over one difficult question and losing marks for the questions that you actually knew. Now let's focus on the do's and don'ts before the exam. Only studying and mugging up things won't suffice. You need to take care of yourself. Here are some suggestions for it. Do not eat heavy food just before the exam. This will make you really sleepy and you might not be able to function to the best of your abilities. Also, do not make the mistake of drinking some caffeinated drinks before the exam thinking it will boost your concentration. I won't deny the fact that these drinks, like Red Bull, do increase your attention span. However, this effect stays only for 1 hour after drinking it. After this 1 hour of increased concentration, you will face the sugar crash. It basically means that your whole body will suddenly drop in energy levels. You won't be able to concentrate properly, nor will you be able to solve the papers efficiently. During a sugar crash, your decision making abilities also drop significantly, due to which you won't be able to correctly solve the questions. Apart from this, for the last 7 days of your exam, do not mess with your body clock. What I mean by this is to avoid staying up late in order to study and rather get ample amount of sleep instead. So that will be all from my side. By the way, you guys can download Flash Prep from Play Store or App Store. It's completely free, so why learn the same old way when you can learn with Flash Prep?